Good morning P3. So today we are going to start exercise 6C from question number 10. So look at question number 10. Given that V is equal to pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. In part 1 make h the subject of the formula, and in part 2 find the value of h when V is equal to 245 and r is equal to 7. So let's come to the solution of question number 10. So the formula is V is equal to pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube, and you are supposed to make h the subject of the formula. So first you will eliminate 2 by 3 pi r cube. You will take this whole value to the other side and it will become negative. And then pi r square is multiplying here with h, then on the other side it will be divided. So V divided by pi r square, it remains same, and 2 by 3 you can cut pi with pi and r square with 2r square, and 1 r is remaining. So the subject of the formula is h, and the formula becomes V over pi r square minus 2 by 3 r. So this is the answer. Now in part 2, find the value of h when V is equal to 245 and r is equal to 7. So simply you will put the values of V and r in the given formula which you have derived by making h the subject of the formula. So after putting the values and after calculating, you will get minus 3.08 to 3 significant figures. So this is question number 10, part 1 and part 2. Now look at question number 11. Again the same, the formula is given as a is equal to square root 3b plus c over b minus c. In part 1 make b the subject of the formula, and in part 2 find the value of b when a is equal to 2 and c is equal to 5. So let's come to the solution of question number 11. So now the formula is a is equal to square root 3b plus c over b minus c, and the subject is b. So first we will take square root, and by taking square root the formula becomes a square is equal to 3b plus c over b minus c, and then b minus c is dividing here, then on the other side it will be divided. So a square into b minus c, a square into b minus c is equal to 3b plus c, and then you can multiply a square with b minus c, then you got this value, and then you will take minus a square c on the other side and 3b on the other side. So it's positive 3b, then it becomes negative 3b, and it's negative a square c, then it becomes positive a square c. So you can take b common from here, a square minus 3, and then finally you got b is equal to c square plus a square c divided by a square minus 3. So in this way you will make b the subject of the formula, or in other words you will find out the value of b. Now when a is equal to 2 and c is equal to 5, find the value of b. So simply again you will put the values of c and a in the given formula. So you will get, after calculating and after putting values, you will get b is equal to 25. So this is question number 11, part 1 and 2.